I've now been the ranger in charge of Montague Island for the past 7 years. Every visit I make to Montague Island is special to me, and every time I visit it's different because of the unique wildlife that's associated with the island, the cultural significance of the island in as far as the Europeans are concerned, but probably more importantly as far as the Kuris are concerned. So for all those reasons, Montague is a very, very special place.
It's easy to see why Montague is now a major visitor attraction. But this is a delicate environment, one that has to be looked after at all costs. So it's very much a case of look but don't touch, and all tours are guided. Many visitors come to this region because it offers so much, but there's one attraction that's really special.
So some came down and they were about the centre of the island there. So there's that mob moving up and down. That mother and calf are hanging around quite well.
And just offshore, what everyone's come to see. But the Eurobodalla Coast has much more to offer than just the brilliance of Montague Island. It has some of the best natural sights along the eastern coastline. It's an area that has plenty to offer, with its beaches, its lakes, its mysterious rock formations, and its forests, many of which are now national parks. And everywhere, the icons of the Eurobodalla Coast, the magnificent spotted gums. At Bateman's Bay, the impressive Tollgate Islands Nature Reserve protects the entrance to the Clyde River. They're visible from many points, a backdrop to the superb beaches along this part of the coast. This section of the coastline is special. Its beaches are a great drawcard, but there are some other unexpected surprises which await visitors to the region. Just below the cliffs of Najanuga, or Little Dromedary, lies a village that's a postcard from the first days of European settlement. This is central Tilba, a charming spot that captures the very essence of early rural Australia. Away from the coast, the mood changes. Here, the Dewar River winds through stands of casuarinas. It's a lovely stretch of water that's accessible to anyone. Just a short way from the sea, the mountains rise steeply. Here, the scenery changes dramatically. This is eucalypt forest country, and within it, there are some beautiful examples of Australian rainforest. On the ranges, the view drops away steeply to the coast. Here, you're only 30 minutes from the sea, but seemingly in another world. This is a special part of Australia's east coast. Within it lies so much cultural significance, so much beauty, and so much to experience.
It's very important to us. This place is a part of us, you know. It belongs to us.